Welcome to our next lesson. Let us proceed with area and perimeter. In this lesson, we'll be discussing about composite shapes. Composite shapes. So, by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to calculate the area of composite shapes. Calculating the area of a composite shapes. So please pay attention. Before going into details, let us know two things. The first one, we need to know what a composite shape is. So a composite shape is a shape made from simpler shapes. In this case, you will be given a shape which has been formed by simple shapes. So the shape which has been formed by simpler shapes, we call it a composite shape. Now, the second one, we need to know how to calculate the area of a composite shape. So we are saying to calculate the area of a composite shape or the shape which has been formed by simple shapes, first simply work out the areas of the simpler shapes. This means that when you have been given a composite shape, you are going to divide that shape into simple shapes, and then you are going to work out the area of each simple shape, and then you add the answer to find the total area of the whole shape. That is all about a composite shape. Now let's go to example. Let us look at the example. Example says calculate the area of this L shape. So if we can look at the given shape, the shape is in L shape. That's why the question says calculate the area of this L shape. So the shape is a composite shape. Why? Because it has been formed by different shapes, or it has been formed by simpler shapes. Now, we have two words that we can use to calculate the area of this particular shape. So the first method or the first way is by addition. So in this case, we are going to use this method by addition. We are going to calculate the area of this shape by addition. What does it mean? It means that we are going to divide the shape into simple shapes, and then we are going to calculate the area of each shape or each simple shape, and then at the end we will add all the answers from different or from simple shapes to find the total area of the whole shape. I'm repeating. For us to calculate the area of this L shape by addition, we are going to divide the shape into simple shapes. After dividing the shape into simple shapes, we are going to calculate the area of each simple shape. And then at the end, we are going to add the answers. That's why the method is called by addition, calculating the area of a composite shape by addition. We are going to add the answers from simple shapes to find the total area of the whole shape. Now, let us focus on the solution. So the shape can be broken down into two rectangles, A and B. Have you seen? The shape has been divided or has been broken into two simple shapes. So we have a rectangle A and then a rectangle B. This is very simple because we know the formula for the area of a rectangle. It's width times length. That is the area, that is the formula for the area of a rectangle. Length times width. So here we have divided the shape into simple shapes or into two rectangles. That means we are going to identify the length and the width of each rectangle, and then we calculate the area. At the end, we will add these answers to find the total of the whole shape. Now, let us find the area of a rectangle A. So, area of L shape is equal to area A plus area B. Yeah, that is true because we have divided the shape into two simple shapes. So, the area of the whole shape is equal to the area of it is the addition of all the areas of the simple shapes. That means here we have divided the shape into two shapes. That means the area of the whole shape is the addition of the areas of these simple shapes. Now we are going to find the area of shape A. That is a rectangle A. So there, if you can check, the length of the rectangle A is 10 centimeter and the width is 4 centimeter. So for us to find the area of this rectangle, we are going to multiply length by width. So the area of rectangle A is equal to 10 centimeter times 4 centimeter. So the answer is 40 centimeter square. That is the area of rectangle A or shape A. Now let us find the area of rectangle B. So shape B is also a rectangle. That means we are going to use its formula, that is length times width. Now the area of a rectangle B is equal to length times width. So the length of rectangle A is 8 centimeter, as you can see, and the width is 6 centimeter. You can also see there. That means for us to find the area of this rectangle B, we are going to multiply 8 centimeter by 6 centimeter. So the answer is 48 square centimeter. Now, conclusion, we are going to find the total area of the whole shape. So the total area of the whole shape is the addition of the areas of two rectangles. That's why we are saying total area of L shape or total area of a composite shape is equal to 40 square centimeter plus 48 square centimeter. So the answer is 88 square centimeter. That's the area of the whole shape. So for you to find the area of a composite shape, try to break the shape into simple shapes and use the formula for those simple shapes to find their areas, and at the end you are going to add all the areas to find the total area of the whole shape. Remember, the shapes like this do not have their own formulas. So for you to calculate the area, divide the shape into simple shapes. And those simple shapes have their own formulas. So please take note of that. So that is the end.